Okay. Wait, I'm already live? That's not what I want. Oh, I need to change everything. I didn't know it went live right away. Okay. Ludum Dare Day 1. Let's work on the LD Ludum Dare Jam game. Yeah. Anything else? Visibility, public. Thumbnail.
Are you after me? Oh, sorry. I thought you wanted something.
No, I'm just talking to myself.
Okay.
I did not think this through. Oh, I kind of did. Sure. Oh god, a lot of treasured stuff. Not treasured. LDJAM, Ludum Dare, 48. Yeah, sure. Description should be Ludum LDJAM. Save. Now it's public. Oh crap, I can't do that. Am I public? I have no clue.
I'll check on YouTube. Are you streaming on YouTube or Twitch?
YouTube.
YouTube.
Changes saved. It's not. It's low latency, not ultra low latency. No.
I can see you're live, yeah.
Am I live? Oh no. Oh
live
no.
Now.
Okay. Now I can just keep on working. Let's put you there.
Yeah, you are. The delay is actually pretty good. Like that's a few seconds off.
Oh, okay.
Also, you're like showing all your info, on the stream. Oh, never mind. You just got rid of it.
I just got rid of it. Yeah, I know. Okay, what was I doing? This one should be here. On half beat. Overwrite on half beat. Beat slave. Beat slave. Beat alpha. On half beat. Private.
I need to make a hot drink. I think I'm gonna go make a hot drink. I'll be back in a sec.
A hot drink. Ooh.
I need it. Need it.
Sure.
BRB.
Sure thing. I need to check it. Oh, I am. Cool. That was out of nowhere. Half beated is equal to false. Half beated equal to true. Half beat, on beat. Protected virtual void on beat. On beat. Protected virtual void on half beat. On half beat. If not half beat it. That sounds about right. Beat, yes. If beat timer more than 0.5. Half beat. Beat slave, half beat. If not half beat it. Yeah, okay. So, overwrite. Vector 2 int move. If move is not equal to vector 2 int 0. Vector 2 int dot up. If it is equal, return transform position move. That works. It doesn't. Move the X 0. No. Move the Y 0. Here. That should work. Let's stop the music. That's really loud. Ah. Offset to string F4.
Yeah, got a bop going on over here.
A bop. Why is it so slow? Loud 6. What do we do? I don't even think OBS is outputting. How should I do it? Not there, that's for sure. System audio, volume per app. That is way too loud. Oh my god. Let's make a very quick audio. Oh my god, I really can't find it. Audio mixer, yeah, main mixer. Way down. Master. Okay. This should be better. Yeah. Okay, but why is it not doing the animation? Oh, because we have add slave this. Of course. Okay. Okay, that's no. Move is equal to vectors 3 and 0. Oh no. Oh. Why? Oh, okay, we need to put that there. Darn it. I should probably also do a thing. No.
Hello.
Hello.
Sorry, I also had a pastry and I didn't want like your stream to just hear me like munching away.
I don't really know how many people are watching.
I'll have a look for you. So I'm gonna add a little bit of like details to the dwarf, but I'd say for the most part he's done and I can throw him in the engine.
I didn't realize you were streaming.
You are?
I am. I'm live on YouTube streaming some.
I'll throw the bad boy in the engine. I think I'll animate him in Unity. I think that's the best. I was trying to pickaxe as well. I should probably do that.
Live streaming. Yeah. Okay, do that, do that. Okay.
Scene.
Yes. Probably should also do it at like Discord stuff. At
If you do it in my Discord, I'll give it like a little announcement if you want. Oh,
Oh, I see. Yes, there's 2 people watching.
I think I
Oh.
was one.
Yeah, I just announced it, so it's like, maybe
Okay.
I should have done that a little earlier.
You might. I think you should have done.
Promotion. Maybe also do it in like.
I love my channel. I'm sorry. I know it's like very big-headed of me, but I just think that's a great name for a share channel.
We are
Promotion
live
local.
working on Ludum Dare entry, and we will be
Promotion locomotion.
better
Yeah, I love
than
that.
head tilt games. Just saying. No. Cool. And now there are people. Oh my god. Hello, hello, hello. Now there are actual people watching, guys.
Yay! Hello.
Oh no.
Hello. Hi.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm just asking you in Discord. Just ignore it.
I'm not even getting like an ad because
You're on stream mode, aren't you?
yeah.
Okay. Let's add new layer. I'm gonna need to pick up.
Okay. What if you had like a 5-second delay? How does that work?
That's Jesus Christ.
What are we making? Oh,
Great question.
great question. So the theme for Ludum Dare, oh my god, is deeper and deeper. And basically we're making like a rhythm mining game. So you have this dwarf guy and you're just mining away.
Do you want an updated version of the dwarf, by the way?
Yeah, sure. I can do.
Because that one's starting to look embarrassing to me now. I'm just looking at him and he's just...
Like, that's not the one I want people to see.
Should I... How am I gonna... Should I just send it to you? Is that the best way to do it? And
Uh,
then you add it to the...
yeah.
Or should I add it to the project and do a push?
Well, I should push it first then, because
You push it first, and then I will overwrite your dwarf.
override it.
Oh, man.
Nice. Retweeted via all of the channels I own on Twitter.
I'll also
Sounds
just-
interesting. I hope it will be interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're trying.
You will be. I'm working on some funky bass
Ooh.
right now.
That's what we'd like to hear. I'm trying to get a pickaxe design, but quite a thin pickaxe.
I should push a little bit more often.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah.
Didn't Rob help? Wasn't he like? Was it you? I think you had a go at me for not pushing more. Was it Rob?
Well, it's obviously Rob all of the time.
Definitely.
Let's just do all of it. Beat start. Let's just call it beat start. Beat start. Commit.
Here's when Matt like joined and he says, "Oh, we're making the same thing as you."
Well, he stole our idea, obviously.
Obviously.
Okay. I think it's done now. You have the stuff.
Let me have a look. If you fetch on sweet, you can do that. Cool. Successfully merged your branch into mine.
Good. Good.
Cool. So I go on Unity now. Unity. Oh yes, fantastic. See, when I was first using like source control and stuff with friends, we kept closing the engine and then reopening it after we did the pull without realizing, like, it would just re-import everything for us.
Yeah, true.
It added so much extra time to what we were doing. It's like, okay, close the engine down. Okay, pull. Open the engine back up again. Okay.
Maybe this will be better.
Just trying to think how to get it.
Yannick is also in chat. Oh no. Wait, were you also not working on the Ludum Dare entry?
I don't think Yannick is today. Well, that's Ludum Dare. Ludum Dare. Why are we saying Ludum Dare? So that's not right. Have you advertised in Zippy's app Discord?
Oh, everything is so out of sync. I don't like it. But I think we have to live with it. I can do in Zippy. Boop. Oh, how do I think it better? Does Unity have like this thing where you can Unity prepare audio source? Oh, okay. Loop play. I could just look at the time of the thing. Of the thing. Time. Let's look into that. I'm not participating, too much to do. Okay. Shame. But understandable. I always say I wanna, but never get around to it. Well, I made time for it, so I guess that is also a thing.
And you pressured me into joining, so.
Sure, yeah.
Ooh,
Yeah, sure.
I'm getting some Daft Punk kind of vibes with this bass.
Hmm.
The second half.
You said that you
Yeah, sure.
want to hear.
I'll send you everything I've got so far.
Nice.
Why not add a delay modifier? She can just... Yeah, I did add a delay thing, but I'm not sure if it's working. So I will just use the time from the actual audio source, and hopefully that will make it better. Beat label.text is equal to string.
Okay, here you go. If you just if you listen to the second half, the bass in that.
Song source dot time.
Let's listen. So cool having actual like music in a game jam game. Something I never get to.
God. So
I like that. Like,
so at like 0.55. Nice.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
That's with all the layers
Ooh.
on.
Near the end, like 1 minute into that track is
Oh.
really good. I really like that how it just changes. That's really nice.
Yeah, I think that's I think that's with the bit extra percussion and the funky bass.
Yeah, that's really nice.
The
I love that.
funky bass.
I think they actually used that riff in Around the World in Daft Punk.
Yeah, I like that a lot. Yeah. Let's just add some detail. Helmet.
Okay.
I'm wondering whether to put more melody into it or not. What do you think? Do you think it would distract too much from it, or should we just keep it
think
rhythm based?
I think keep it rhythm based because you want the player to know, like, oh, I need to press, I need to do the beat bits point exactly. You don't want them to be like, oh, listen to the other bits. Like, oh no, I'm missing the beat.
Yeah. Maybe having a lot of syncopation in there could throw them off a little bit, maybe on purpose.
Because I mean, I'll be honest, I'm quite bad at rhythm games. So I think I'm quite a good test because I'm so bad at them. Like it's good to try and cater to people who may not be the best at the game, I guess.
Yeah, true.
Oh, I see Yannick on stream. Hi, Yannick.
So we have that. The headphones, I feel like, could be a better color. What color headphones do we want? Mainly, they're blue right now, but what color do we want? We need to like stand out a bit, I guess.
Pink.
Pink.
Baby pink.
I could do
That'll stand out in a cave.
Yeah.
Very.
Yeah. I will push.
Could we get like little blue like little music note animations coming out of it?
Yeah.
Could you
Hey
do that?
TK, he says.
Hello.
I could do that for sure.
And then you can give me those music note animations for when I join your streams.
Yes, your avatar. That's it. I've worked it out now. What's a good baby pink? That one looks good.
If not synced. Yeah, we're going really into the game jam code.
You know what? The baby pink actually looks kind of good. I'm pleasantly surprised by how good it looks. It's basically like those pink kind of like cat headphones you see people using. I'm pleasantly surprised how that looks.
Ah. Nice. I think the beat is synced now.
Okay, so I will. Oh, where did I just export? There. Assets, graphics, textures, dwarf. My dwarf 32 by 32, by the way.
Ah, okay.
And I'll do 32 pixels per unit.
That works way better. Oh my god, why didn't I think of that? Oh my. Private float beat. Beat is equal to this.
I will do a new push with my changes in it.
Cool.
Okay, I pushed it on my branch. Just pull it tools.
Cool. I will do in a bit.
Do it. Do it. Yeah. This point does need to apply. Hope like the new headphones I gave a little dwarf princess.
How many layers are we going to want? Because right now I've got 5 different layers.
I think 5 will be fine for now.
Okay.
I
Because
don't-
we've got we could start off with percussion,
Hmm.
then we go into bass, and then we got some kind of chord instrument, some kind of synth. Are you getting a lot of cracking from me, by the way?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just got again on them.
That happened last stream as well. Don't know why it's happening. It's really
It only
annoying.
just started happening though.
Microphone
Yeah.
plugged in?
Yeah, I can tell. Yeah, it's plugged in properly. I unplugged everything last time as well.
Huh. Weird.
Maybe it's not connected properly to the Mac. Yeah, so I got that. Then I got the marimba sound, and I got a shaker as well, which I'll probably put earlier on.
Oh, that's how it works. Cool. Okay. Beat alpha. Beat alpha. Beat alpha. That should probably go there. Why didn't I think of this first? My god. Okay. Beat timer can go. And instead of it being beat timer, it will just be beat. Beat. Let's see how that works.
Right, I'm listening through to every layer in order to make sure everything sounds cool, like by itself or just with one other instrument.
Okay, so that is done. The beat manager now actually manages the beat, which is kind of important.
It sounds important.
Yeah. Okay, so you guys, how did you send the? Oh, you didn't send your dwarf yet.
No, it's on GitHub.
Oh yeah, right. Duh.
It's my branch, so you just pull it into yours.
Ah, crap. Now I have committed changes, but I think that's fine. Let's fetch. You didn't change anything from this, so that's fine. Merge.
No. If I've changed anything in your scene, which I don't think I did, feel free to just get rid of my changes to that.
Oh
No, I
no,
don't
like
think I
I only changed the what's it called file. Oh, you didn't change the dwarf actually.
I just added a new one in because I didn't want to like break anything.
Oh yeah.
I got worried. I'm guessing. So if I throw my dwarf in, he is pitch black because.
Yeah.
Do I need the two?
It's a lit shader. I just made it unlit, but I already fixed that, so that should be fine.
My dude does not like it. Which shader are you using for your for the?
I just picked a unlit, like the sprite unlit default.
Oh, there we go. Yeah. Whoa, that Windows XP error is weird. Whoa.
Yeah, I figured that you have to like uncheck, like at the top right in your scene view, you have to uncheck skybox because the skybox is apparently broken.
Okay.
I don't know what that is.
Oh yeah.
Let's show everyone what. Yeah, there you go. Wait, what if I get rid of the cube? Yeah. Yeah, such a nice error. Woo! And then I let go. And it's gone. So yeah, I have to uncheck the skybox. But luckily we don't really have a skybox.
You might want to mess around with the camera as well. Because I'm not sure if maybe you've changed yours already, but mine was on perspective.
I set it to ortho, I think.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. I made my scene before. I mean, I could delete the scene and just download yours, I suppose. So maybe we're about to sample scene. And I play.
Wait, let me make some changes to the scene and then I will just send you the thing. So I changed the scene, I made the dwarf look a lot better. Oh yeah. So I have a bunch of changes, and it will probably screw up your thing.
What?
Be-
What do you reckon it'll change?
Well, you also changed the scene, so maybe.
Oh,
that
if it's
will
your
be...
scene, if it's a sample scene, I added something and then I deleted it, so it's probably just saying.
Yeah, but still, you know.
It's fine if I lose. I haven't really done anything, so it's all right. This is what I'm thinking for the pickaxe. I'll be honest, doing a pickaxe with very few pixels is really just either do you want Minecraft or do you want fake Minecraft?
Yeah, that's the thing,
So
you know. Yeah, Minecraft.
Yeah, I opted for fake Minecraft. I could add a little bit of like a highlight to it, I suppose.
Hello, Dylan. How are you doing?
Little shine.
Ah, there you go. Pickaxe. There you go.
Do you like that pickaxe?
Yeah, I think it's good. I mean, does it work
Cool.
with the dwarf?
Oh, do you want to see it? Yeah, do you want to see it with the dwarf? Maybe the highlight doesn't really work. I'll do a little bit less. 1 sec. I think he looks quite cool with it, yeah. I'll put that sprite shader on my Trello because I'll set that up so you can change the colors easily. Here you go. Here's one with the dwarf and the pickaxe together. I think they look quite cool.
Oh yeah. Nice.
So, do you always make an animation for it, like moving, like a little, just like a little hop kind of animation? You know, little jumpy jump.
I think I will do that in code.
Oh, really?
Because then it's easier to. Yeah, I can just you know, change the position in code and then add some curves to it. So maybe you can like change the curves so it actually like hops instead of like slide, for example.
Do you want all the layers? Was I always going to animate it in Unity? Because I've done all the layers separately. Do you want the layers separate or is just a sprite on its own?
Well, or you can just animate it. That's fine as well.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I was going to like animate it using because I've got like the body on a separate layer to the arms, so I can have quite free control over how it will look.
Yeah, you can. Although I would like I do change the position in code, so maybe you need to if I change. Let me first animate the like position changing, and then based on that you can make an animation, like just a still animation. But because I change it, the position in code, it looks like it has like a cool animation.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so your sample scene is fine now. My one. I'm going to delete my scene and bring yours back.
Private void. Move. Oh. Key code primary, key code secondary, and a vector 2 int movement. We'll just grab this, put that in there. Primary, secondary, movement. Move. Keycode.w, keycode.arrow up. Yeah. Vector 2 int dot up. A S D left arrow. Down arrow. Right arrow. Right. Down. Left. Okay. Let's see how that looks real quick. Very nice. Me likey. How big is the body of the dwarf? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, 9. 11?
I can tell you now if you want. If you say that's the body.
Like the feet. Like where his belt is, that kind of line.
Just from like his head to there, basically.
No, like his width.
His width.
Like only his belly. I think it's 11.
Yeah, he's 11 if you include the outline.
Oh, okay. So then I would say the pixel per unit is 11.
Yeah.
Because then when he moves like one...
Ooh. Yeah, I'll change that now. Oh, maybe it's... Oh, you changing that in yours as well? Because if you change it in yours, I'll just change it back in mine.
Let's just do 16 instead of 11, because that's a better standard, I guess.
Yeah. 16. Did you change the pivot of the sprite?
Yes, I did.
The dwarf. Does it need to be in a custom one?
Well, I made it on his feet, so that his feet are actually 0 instead of like the center of his body, or like not even the center of his body, but the center of the sprite itself.
That's fine. I was just like wondering why, because the pickaxe should go in the exact same spot, like as it is an ace sprite, but it's just not. And I'm guessing it's because the pivot's like a bit different.
Yeah,
it's exactly the pivot different. I've been looking at this for ages, going, why is it not going in the same spot as the dwarf? Please.
Oh,
There we go. That's fine.
I am making sure everything. So what are you guys thinking of with the theme? I mean, the theme is okay, I guess.
Yeah, that could have been a better theme.
Yeah. It's like the theme is deeper and deeper, and everybody will basically just make a Minecraft clone kind of thing.
I really like it. I was expecting that everyone will do a mining kind of game.
Yeah.
I do like the theme though.
Yeah.
It could have been a lot worse.
Yeah,
true. But it could also have been like a lot broader. Like deeper and deeper already lends itself really well to really well to like mining, like going down into earth, like mother load. Exactly.
Well, you could say that a lot of people will think, well, the obvious choice is mining, so we're not going to make a mining game.
True, but
and then we make the only mining game.
No, I've looked at the website. There are mining games, but it's more for like.
Are there any like ours?
Mm-hmm.
Are there any mining games like ours?
No, there's no ribbon based on.
No.
No obvious ribbon based on anyway.
Okay.
There you go. Change the timer.
Peter, do you reckon you'll animate the pickaxe in code as well, or should I animate that myself?
Well, the pickaxe will probably just be attached to the player.
It is, but like I can animate it. You can animate it to like swing, you know.
True.
I'll do that later on. I'll design some like rocks. I feel weird not coding anything. Do you want me to code anything?
I mean, you can code, I guess.
I feel weird. Like, I mean, I'm gonna do the shader soon, aren't I? I just feel weird not like programming. It's wrong. Swing on the beat. Dylan said, I think that's exactly what we're doing, isn't it?
Yeah. Everything will just
Well,
be
I
on
guess
the
you can
beat.
swing whenever, but swinging on the beat is better.
Yeah.
I'll design some rocks as well because we need rocks.
Vector 3 origin. Vector 3 go to.
Right, I'm breaking out the nice instruments now.
Ooh,
Good
you're treating us.
treating, yeah.
Good pause. Flow timer. Flow timer is less than 1. New. Wait for end of frame. Yeah, this is a better order. Transform position is equal to vector 3 dot lerp origin go to pose timer. Oh, of course. Start coroutine, move position, offset. Static, public, static, float, single beat. Oh. Okay. That's way too slow. Oh my god. 0.5. Hello? There you go.
Do you think we'll need any more tracks, by the way? So any more I don't know, variations or whatever. Or are we gonna keep it to this one for now?
Keep this one for now, say. But we might need more, maybe. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I think
I reckon I can probably do another one before
should
we
do
finish.
2 to start off with, and if we ever need more, we could always just try and throw
Yeah.
extra, but not
Okay.
urgent.
Tell you what, I'll do 2 of these, and I'll do a menu track.
Nice. Good.
Oh crap. Oh no, I think I will do the animation or like the moving at least in code.
Mhm.
Because that's easier when, for example, the BPM changes.
Yeah.
Because in code it's very easily just like, oh yeah, just make it go faster. I mean, you can also make an animation go faster, but then it's not really like you intended.
No, that's fine. What I've done in my scene is I've made like a pivot for the pickaxe. So if you want to animate the pickaxe separately, animate the pivot is the best, because obviously the pivot points change.
Are we gonna do 3 levels of difficulty? So a little bit slower, a little bit normal speed, and then a little bit faster.
Yeah, can be. So like the easier one will be a little longer, and then the hardest one will be shorter.
Yeah.
Because it's faster.
Yeah. Well, it'll all loop anyway, so
yeah, true.
until the player's done and they want to go home.
I want to go home.
Cool. Okay, so yeah, I'll do this one in 3 different speeds with the separate tracks. And then I'll start on another one and do the same.
Something like that, maybe? Other implementation. Y plus is. Burp. Oh. Of course.
I'm gonna be a tile map soon. I just realised, what perspective are we doing? Are we doing like side on, or are we doing like kind of top down a little bit? Isometric. Oh. We'll need to know that.
Oh, look at that boy.
I'm watching your stream now. Very cool.
Look at him hop.
Is it on beat though?
Nice. Aha, I already like it. Oh, it looks so cute. Look at him go.
Oh, hang on, let me see. Let's have a look.
Oh, I just stopped.
Ah. Do you want to start, by the way, if I give you an intro track, do you want to start with a sort of prompt on the screen like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go? Do you want something like that?
Oh, yeah, that could
If
be.
I give you some drums.
I like that.
Mm. Oh, yeah. Oh, so we also need like intro sequence. So it's basically just
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. Okay. So we need the music track system. Okay. So we need a streak system. Because the streak system makes the instruments go brr.
God damn it, Peter.
Okay, let's do a streak or song system. Song system would be better. Song manager. Let's all just call them manager. Oh. Okay. Song manager. Reset. Song manager. Let's also make a song data. Just so I have a way to add more tracks if I want to. Scriptable objects for the win.
Oh yes.
I like them so much.
I'm not sure if I'm using them correctly, but I love custom classes and scriptable objects are my new best friend.
Like with scriptable objects, what you can really simply do is like make like certain data types. So like if you have a sword, you can just make like a weapon script, like weapon scriptable objects, and then in Unity you can just add whatever data you want, and then in another code you can just refer to that script instead of it being like it's a hard-coded thing, or it's basically like the opposite of hard coding. Matt is saying, how is losing going? Well, Matt, you want to see our awesome game? I will show you it. Like, look at that. Okay, hang on. And
That's fighting talk, that is. What are you making, Matt? As he's almost done? Yeah, okay. Yeah, cool. I like it.
I'm not listening to the stream. I can't tell if you're on beat or not.
It looks like he is. I do think the flash in the corner definitely helps.
Yeah.
I mean, that was one of the first things I made, just because it is way easier to tell like what the beat is.
Yeah.
Because otherwise, like those subtle like visual hints. Yeah. I mean, it can be something else, but
No, I like that. I do think
Yeah.
though that if the player is late to click the button and the character moves like as they press the button, it's going to be moving out of time with the music. And then it'll look a little bit strange, especially if we do eventually
everything
have monsters or anything moving at the same time.
everything is like attached to the song. Like even if you click off a beat, everything is just attached to the song, because I'm basically using the time from the actual song as a reference for the beat. So like previously I had like a separate beat and then the song, and that would not really like work together. But now I basically made it so that the beat is based on the timing from the song. So it's always, and then the moving is
always going to be in time.
Yeah, the moving is always on the half beat, and then there is a beat thing, and it does move like with the beat, even though it's like on the half beat.
Okay, cool.
But that should be fine, I hope.
I think this track is pretty much done.
Cool.
Nice.
I'm just EQing and stuff now.
Yeah.
And then I'll split it into different tracks.
Yeah, I'm now working on the actual song part of the game. Songs, let it song data, song 1, I don't know. I don't even know how to do the song yet, because I don't have all of the tracks for the song. What else? Level generation, I don't have the tile maps yet, so that will also be harder.
Do you want to do... I'm going to design a rock now. I'm about to finish doing a rock. Do you want to start doing some mining stuff?
Yeah, but I can just do that with a very simple sprite as well.
Yeah.
Square? Yeah, square. Unlit. Let's call you a rock. That's a rocky boy.
Call you the rock. Boom.
In our game, you can slice rocks with your sword and throw the rocks at enemies' faces. Our game is way more fancy than that. It's way more civilized. Wait, what happened? Where's... That is not 0, is it? Pivot. Oh. Yeah, okay. I was worried. Rock. Oh, it needs to be on player. So it needs to be there.
Rocks. Okay, let me export this rock for you. And then you can have a rock at least.
Grid axes, grid. I need the grid to be 1. Yeah.
Let's see how that looks in engine. Should look fun.
course it's... Okay, square. Let's add in a polygon collider 2D. Yeah, boy. Rock. I can just do box collider, I guess. Should I do colliders? I probably shouldn't even do colliders. Script settings, come on, here. World. Public. Int size, let's do 10.
The rock might be too big, but if you scale it down by like half, you're absolutely fantastic. Also, just seeing you on stream now, like, have you died?
Yeah, I have died. Now I'm thinking like I could do like the whole world thing like in a grid. Yeah, of course it will be grid based. But I can like push the data into a grid and like compare the grid data, or I could just do everything with colliders.
Which one is easier?
Well, I don't know. The thing with like everything needs to be on a grid regardless.
Good point.
I will just do a grid based. Okay.
I've pushed some rocks and the pickaxe to my build, my branch. So if you want to take them, feel free.
Data is equal to new int size times size. Void generate, which we don't do yet. A public void move player. Movement. Oh, now we get this. Oh my god. Okay. Int new plus index. Okay. Okay, that should be that. Let's do a... wire cube. Okay. World. Have a world. Size of 10? Yes. Gizmo,
Peter,
stop color.
question for you.
Yeah.
You know, for the tile map,
Yes.
are we doing 4 directions, or are we only doing side to side?
We're doing 4 directions.
Cool.
But I think you can just have the front always. So it's like only like left and right in like
Oh, for the
art.
yeah, for the character, I don't think we need it back because of how like.
Yeah. So I think
I'm
that
just thinking
will
for
be
the tile.
fine. Oh yeah.
See, Ace Pride's next update has a real nice tile map update, but it's not here now, so I don't know what to do.
Yeah, I also saw something with that, but then I was like, I can't really find it, so I was like, eh.
Not in it yet, which is annoying. So I suppose I should probably find that.
That is... Oh, that is not what you're supposed to do. Ah. If... Damn it. If false, then don't do anything. Basically. Oh, yeah. Sometimes, jeez. Oh, it's almost 1 here. Jeez. Very nice. So the world as a concept is done basically.
Nice. Let me look at your screen.
So the only thing that I now need is like make things that can go inside the world.
I've done a push recently with rocks, so you can download them and just throw some rocks around. I'm doing a tile set now. I do
Patch. Added pickaxe and rock sprite.
Yes.
Soul scene. Oh yeah. Soul. Okay. Merch. Yeah. Oh
I
no.
imagine that'd be.
Oh no.
What's the issue? Oh, you need to stash yours. It says.
Can I just? Oh my god. Oh whatever.
It won't delete anything, you know, if you stash.
What did you editor?
So if you click all of them. Oh, do you want to see what I changed?
Why do I have a, why do I have dwarf? Oh, I changed the meta file. No, that's not a. Yeah, you changed it as well.
I changed the meta file for the dwarf as well, so that's probably the and editor user settings. Apparently, I changed.
Oh crap! No, I want to discard it. Yes. And then merge. Or do I commit it first? No,
Try
that's fine.
merge. Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. Have me worried there, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Nice. Now I can just make a rock instead of a... Oh, damn, that's a big rock.
Yeah, it's massive. Scale it down by half and you'll be fine. Or can you not do that?
I can do that, but I would not recommend it. Mostly because currently the pixels are the same size. And if
True. Okay, I'll do a new...
if I scale it down, then the pixels are smaller, and I would rather have all of the pixels be the same size, because then the pixel art makes sense.
Yeah, that's a good point. I will do a new rock. Well, would you rather a rock first or the tile set first?
Tile set is fine. Like I can work with this rock first, but
Let me just
yeah.
plot that in. See, the issue is I should have probably put the dwarf, yeah, in the rock scene. That's fine. I'll make a new one later. Let me just do a quick few tiles for you at least.
0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So data 0, 1, 2, 3 is equal to 1. Okay. So now it should not go near the rock. Wait, what? New post.y. Why are you being such a poopy? What? Y is 0 and X is 3. Why is that so hard? Man, God. I always hate when stuff doesn't line up. Player position is equal to vector 2int.0. Wait, did I change it in here? I'm an idiot.
What have you done?
I tried to check. I wanted to check the grid, like if there was something on the grid, but instead I just checked one.
Ah.
Yeah, now it avoids the rock, so that at least knows that it's there. Okay. Script. World entity data. It's so small. World entity data. Scriptable object. Create menu asset. Cool. Public int ID. Public sprite. Okay. World entity. And world entity will actually be something. Yay. A public void add world entity. World entity data. Screw pooling. We will just instantiate and destroy.
Yeah, don't worry. It's, you know what? It's just a jam.
Yeah.
Just a jam. Do what's easy and quick.
If it really doesn't work, like if it really needs to be pulled because of performance and all that stuff, yeah, then we really need to get into to see if it has something. Instantiate world entity prefab. Damn it. Data entity rock ID 2. It has a rock plane. It's a rock plane. Poor rock. What entity? Renderer, a prefabs, and TT prefab. World entity prefab. Boom. World. Let's grab in the prefab. Let's do a public world entity test. Add world entity. New 030 test. Oh. Entity rock. Okay. Public data. Oh. World entity data. Entity dot data is equal to entity data. Yeah, I'm just talking what I'm typing. Woohoo. So great to listen to.
I'll send the first iteration of tiles that I've just designed into Discord just to get some feedback.
Mm.
I might remove the little dots I've done around, but we had a look at these. What do you think of the tiles? They're like
Okay. Ah.
that would be that area, obviously.
Push alerts. Edit. Oh. Yeah. Let's put it here. Yes.
You like?
I do like them. It's just that because we are like looking like kind of sideways, like if the ground is flat, we're kind of looking at it sideways. That's why we can see the character standing up. So maybe you should see a wall behind it.
So design okay, I can design walls. Fine. I mean, I will keep them there just in case we want them.
So
Anything.
I'm not sure if I have a great example.
I mean, I've done
with
walls in Chrono.
wall.
It's the same kind of like. Because it's like weird. It's not like top down. It's kind of like.
Yeah, it is this weird thing where it's like it's not top down, but it kind of is.
I mean, I found this, which kind of is what we need. We need like a wall like that.
Yeah, exactly. Kind of like Stardew Valley, actually.
Yeah. So basically, what I've done for Chrono.
Yeah.
That is all right. I can design some walls as well. I'll keep them there though, just in case we want to use them for anything.
Yeah, like just look at the height of the dwarf.
Yeah.
And use that as the height for the wall. Like a little bit taller, and then all of the
Yeah.
like
it will be.
If we will have enemies, then they should also be like less tall than the wall. Less tall than the wall.
I mean, because we're using tiles, we can just make the wall as big, really.
Yeah, true.
Okay, let me do some tiles.
Mm.
What color do you want like the walls to be? Like a cave color, or like is that a dungeon color, or a mine?
Like yeah, mine. So like grayish, I guess.
Yeah, like yeah.
Yeah.
I think I know.
Cool.
I have an idea.
As we get deeper and deeper, it can get darker.
Ooh.
Yes, we have lights, don't we? So we can just.
Yeah, we'd have to invest in lights, so we have to go back, sell our resources, and then we make or we buy lights and torches, and then we can take them down and go further.
Yeah.
Now we're making Darkest Dungeon. I'm all here for that.
Rhythm-based Darkest Dungeon.
Yes.
World. Entity.world is equal to this, blah blah blah. Index. Okay. Grid pose. Okay. It's very crude implementation. Damn it. Oh wait, I didn't set the rock to be breakable. Okay. Wait a minute, hold on. Ah. So it does work. It just needs to be delayed. Start coroutine, delay remove. Now it should feel better. I hope. Very nice. Let's just... What are you doing? Let's just make a whole world filled with all of that stuff. Y, 4, X, 4.
Oh, I don't know how to do. I don't know how to design. I don't know what to do it like. I don't know if to do bricks or do just rocks. I don't know. I don't even know how to design it. Pure rocks.
Alright, I have implemented rocks. Destructible rocks.
Nice.
Aha.
Let's see. I'm watching your stream. Nice.
Although the offset could be a little bit better.
Oh, I don't know what this. I don't like that. Yeah.
Rocks are cool and all, but now imagine dancing rocks. They actually like bop to the beat.
You could make like little rock creatures.
We could
Like,
do.
you think you think they're rocks, but they're actually little creatures that wake up when you walk next to them.
I like that idea. Great. That could be very nice.
Ah, song is done.
I'm trying to design rock wall. I just don't know how to design rocks in a cave like naturally. It just doesn't look natural.
Natural.
Yeah.
Oh well. Oh well.
What?
All right.
Too detailed. That's the thing, you know. Like
You don't want it to be too detailed.
it would look wrong if they were too detailed because of like style, but I just don't know how. I can't. Okay. Let's see. This looks like a good thing to start off.
Should the camera follow the player Or should the camera be still, like the level is within the view?
I think follow.
Okay, of course, with like a.
First.
Let's have a look. Where's the camera? Here's the camera. Okay. Camera follower. We have a public transform layer. Oh, a public vector 3 called offset, because we don't want it to be on the player. Vector 3.lerp. Okay, let's look. Player. .5 minus 10. Okay. With the graphic size 3, 4, I guess. Let's see. This is the full screen. 720. Ah, yeah. 4 is fine. Public floats lerp multiplier. Camera target. Camera layer. Transform camera target. Player. Oh. When the song is over, the game just stops currently. Oh no. Okay, cool. Cool. Oh, I think it's lunchtime though.
Yeah, you go have some lunch. You've been like 1:30 for you. Isn't it?
Yeah, 1:23.
I found like a tutorial. I'm not gonna lie, I found a tutorial on Reddit about how to do rock walls, and it's actually working. So I'm going for it.
If it works,
Just
it works.
exactly. If it works, it works. I just could not get it like at all before. Like just nothing. I was not happy with any of it. So this is helping out a bit.
Noise.
Just add a little bit more detail into. So this is just one tile. It's not finished just yet, but this is what we got so far. Tell what you think before you go.
X. But why?
Very zoomed in. It looks better zoomed out. So what comes next in this tutorial? Do the highlights and midterms.
Ah.
Yeah, cool.
Come on. I want to show. There you go. Yeah, that works.
Yeah, there'll be more like, so there'll be a few variations, and then
Sure.
I'll probably do like a top layer as well with like little bits hanging down. So it's more like top.
Like a little dirt on top.
Yeah, think about that like that's like the middle level of the wall. There'll be a top level of the wall for like stalagmites pointing downwards.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
Yes.
Right, okay. I'm splitting these into layers now. And then I'm going to bounce them properly, and then I'll put them in a drive folder and send them to you.
Sound good.
So we've got percussion layer 1, then we've got bass layer 2, then we'll have a piano and a pad sound layer 3. I've got a marimba for layer 4, and then I've got a shaker and some noises for layer 5. If that's all right.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Cool.
Yeah, very nice.
So, do we want an easier version? Do we want a slower version than 120?
Yeah, we can.
Okay. So, hang on, let me have a play around. Maybe
If you're
I'll
up
change
for
the
it.
times. Yeah, sure. It won't take me long. 115, how's that sound? $110. Okay, $110 will do. Okay, I'll start with the easier one.
Oh. Divided by 8.
This is the part where I just wait for my music to export properly.
Yay. That's always great. Oh, we actually need a time-up editor. Forgot to import that. Haha, yay.
Oh, no.
Cool. Okay, got a town map. Town map rectangular. Yes. Okay. Textures. Multiple. Slice them and dice them. God. How did it work again? Tiles. Unlit. Aha. With selection. I am just using your test thing, Saul.
That's fine. I've got I've got like 3 tiles done now.
Nice.
I was going to do middle actually. Let me rename them. Middle, right, middle,
Why are you being such a...
middle, left. So I'm basically doing the same, but I am adding like stalagmites to them as well. Oh. Middle. Okay, touch. Top.
That makes more sense. I'm playing it on the wrong screen. Oh man.
No one able to see what you're doing.
Sometimes I'm somewhat of a genius.
And sometimes, well, sometimes you're like me and just not a genius.
That looks really cool.
Hey, my tiles don't look awful actually.
I mean, it's way easier to see like stuff with a grid, so I'm not really sure if we should like keep a grid. Like with the test tiles here. How do I disable all of it?
I'm getting some kind of weird LFO kind of effect where the music's like going left and right. Don't know if it's like just the audio from your stream.
I guess that could be. I mean, it's perfectly fine in my ears. I don't know. That's... Okay. So now it's 1:30 here. So yeah, I think I will grab some food. I'm not really sure if I should keep the stream on. Well, it won't be very interesting to look at.
Bring your camera with you whilst you go to eat.
Yeah,
Let people
hi, let's go. No.
Give the people what they want.
No.
No.
I will not. I refuse.
Yes, what are you eating?
Yay.
Let me save everything though, and save, and let's commit it. Let's commit a commit. Edit tiles or tile map. What else did I do?
Added the grid.
Camera, follower, palm, world start, world entity, entities. Yeah, I guess that's it.
Did you add a grid in this one as well?
Yeah, but that's part of the tile map.
All right.
The grid is not really there.
Wait. Did you just use the PNG I sent?
Yeah.
I thought you added a grid into the game.
Like I modified it a little bit. Like this was the image you sent. Then I just grabbed all of this. Then I made it smaller.
I thought you added a grid into the game.
No, like this is the blue is actually part of the.
Oh god damn it!
Because there are blue lines in like in A Sprite, I guess.
Yeah, that's the grid lines in Ace, right?
So that's how I got the blue lines, and I was like, I can't be bothered to remove them, so I just kept them, and it fits.
Wow. Amazing, absolutely amazing.
I mean, it kind of fits, you know. Maybe I should like make a custom thing. Yeah, I think I will make a custom shader to actually make a grid, because then you can just focus on the art.
I will make the color swapper shader though, just because I've done it before and it worked really well.
Yeah, yeah, okay, sure.
If you want to do a grid one, that's fair enough.
I will make a little grid shader when I get back from lunch, because I also do want food.
Yeah, go have some food.
Okay, so yeah, I will end the stream for a little bit, then probably work off stream, and then I guess I will start it at like 3 again for me, so that's 2 for you.
Yeah, sounds good.
Cool.
All right, so I guess people on the stream also go have lunch. I guess.
You're not my mom. You're not my mom.
You can't tell me what to do. No, and then yeah, the stream will be back online after a bit. So then Saul and Tom can also just take a breath, like talk about stuff without it being public.
Yeah. I can't hate the stream.
All right. So yeah, let me close the stream.